Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm my name Ian Pius, and today guys I'm back again guys in another video. I always come at least 1 or 2 times in a week and then give you guys some good juicy trade which are about to start happening. And today guys I'm back again with some juicy trade which is about to happen and they're about to start moving. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity to get some good juicy trade which are about to happen, and I urge you to go down there and tap onto the subscribe button so whenever I'll be releasing any video you'll be the first person to come and watch this video, because the moment I release this video and you come and watch it 2-3 days after this video, it might be kind of like useless because by the time the market has already moved on. So let's dive in into our session today guys. So what am I having today guys? So I wanted to first give you a quick review on the trade that I told you guys before on the last previous video that I said I would take with this kind of confirmation. So this was a trade that I took yesterday and it stopped me out. So I want you to show you guys how did this trade stop me out guys. Remember I told you guys that I'll wait for this yellow bar for the market to come and retest it, and the market did that. Exactly, it came and retested because you see this yellow bar right here, it's my daily, this was my 4 hour, this was a level where I always give me a confirmation. If I bring my Fibonacci was from swing low to swing high, if you guys could see, was even around the Fibonacci, it was around 55 Fibonacci, and the market came and tap on it. If you come in a 4 hour, you could see much more clearer. You see, as you guys could see, this was the Fibonacci fib, the one I drew from swing low to swing high, and this was a Fibonacci fib. When the market came and tapped it, the market gave me the bullish engulfing in 4 hour, and then I drew my counter trend line, and then the market kind of broke my counter trend line, and that's why I got that opportunity. But then I noticed something. Let me first remove this one, and then after, when the market stopped me out, when the market stopped you out, it's not a loss trade, it is a stop trade. You stop the loss, you didn't lose the trade. I stopped the loss, I did not lose the trade. The only thing that I realized that I did very bad, because I always wait for a bullish engulfing forward candlestick break, but unfortunately I don't know what even happened to me. I just came and jumped onto this trade. I think because I was going somewhere and I was gonna text, I would have, I was going to be very busy. That's why I was like, let me just jump onto this trade so that I won't miss out. You see, guys, this is one of the things. If you know, even this kind of fear of missing out can really trigger you out to enter the trade, whereby you never have to like enter so soon. Imagine I entered so soon and the market kind of stopped me out. I didn't even wait for that kind of very good confirmation. This would like kind of trigger people so badly. So I urge you guys to always wait for a very clear confirmation. So this one, I lose like 2% of my account, and it's still okay. I'll come and then jump into this trade the moment it gives me a more clear confirmation. So now how will I be able to enter this trade if it continues to go to the bullish side? Let me first remove this one now. As you can see, this trade I had taken some of my profit out, brought my entry to break even. So right now this trade is now in a risk free. So now how am I going to be able to enter this trade? As you get to see, let me first bring another Fibonacci back again. This is swing low, swing high. You guys could see the market right now at a level of 0.618 retracement, which is kind of a very strong, and then this trend line is still holding the trade. This is 4 hours. I always take my entry in 4 hour daily, weekly, that I just use for my analysis. So I always take my entry in 4 hours. So I'll wait for this market to break about this zone right here. I'll wait for this counter trend line break like this. Yeah, so this is what I'll be doing. The market is still right now at 61.8%, which is a very strong Fibonacci level. So what am I gonna wait for? I'll wait for the market to break above above this zone right here. Eh, yeah, I'll wait for the market to break above here, above the counter trend line, and then come and retest it once more. Then when I will come and end around somewhere when the market can give me that kind of confirmation for it to continue going higher. In that case, I won't be able to enter in a premature trade. So guys, for now, I'll lay low, wait for this trade to do whatever it wants to, while I'll be looking for more opportunity in some other pairs which I'm having here. GBPUSD guys, I'm having now uh, sorry, yeah. Remember guys, last time I told you for GBPUSD to come and retest this zone once more before it continue going all the way to the upside. If I'm taking in a 4-hour time frame, this trade we had already analyzed it before. That's why I just want to give you guys a quick review. We had analyzed it from a daily, monthly, and everything. We had already analyzed it. If we, if we come from a monthly level, we could see the market still in a bullish moment, guys. The market is still bullish. Everything is bullish. The market has broken my levels all as retested. If you can come in a weekly time frame, the market retested this level and is now retesting this zone above, guys. So how am I going to enter this trade? You could see this kind of a, if you come in the previous, if you come in your left hand side, you could see there was a very strong demand zone and has been holding this market when it was going up, when it was going up, has been holding the market for quite a long period of time. So from here, I'm waiting for this market to come and retest it here once more. That's what we've been trying to do. If you come in a daily time frame, if you come to a daily time frame and you bring your Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you could see the market came and tap on 50% fib exactly. And this is my 4-hour right now. You can see the market come and tap on the 50 pip exactly. So how am I going to enter this trade? I want another bullish engulfing 4-hour candlestick confirmation to give me, then I'll come and then enter this trade and then jump on it, put my stop loss below the structure and then rally this market all the way to this zone, all the way to my first TP, guys. All the way this is my first TP here. I always, when the market reach at 100% retracement, I take like 3% of my profit and then bring my entry to break even, then look for more opportunity to jump on it, to jump on the market to let it continue rally all the way to the upside, guys. So right now I'm pretty bullish in this trade. Only just I need to wait for one more confirmation or else, like the way I like using a counter trend line break. If you come and watch this video kind of late, then you can use a counter trend line break like this one. Yeah, this kind of a is going to give me a very strong confirmation. Let the market breaks above this counter trend line, just like this, and then come and retest it small once more, and then rally all the way to the upside. In such a way, will give you a very strong confirmation for the entry to take it all the way to the upside, because the market is full of uncertainty. Anything can happen into this market. The market can rally all the way back down here and test the zone once more. So anything can happen into the market. We don't know what might happen. We just have to follow our rules in order for us to be at the right track at the moment. So right now, I will lay low, wait for more confirmation. The market has already given most of the confirmation. I will just wait for a bullish engulfing above here, or maybe wait for a counter trend line break above this counter trend line, a bullish engulfing, then enter, bring my stop loss below the structure, then rally this trade all the way to its prime target, which is around my overall prime target for GBP is at 1 point. Sorry guys, my overall prime target for GBP is at 1.4300, but my immediate TP, this is my first TP here, is at 1.3. My first TP is at 1.38003, and then the second one is at 1.39929. So right now, let's just be patient and wait for whatever the market is gonna do, guys. So let me go for another another prayer, guys. I'm having GBP, I'm having AUD USD has been kind of consolidating for such a long period of time, and right now I'm seeing some good right track in a GBP, in a AUD USD, guys. So what am I seeing in AUD USD? We could say AUD USD, and this is my monthly level. As you guys could see, the market has been holding for quite a long while, and we always see the market when the market comes here and in this zone takes it up, come to this zone takes it up. So right now the market came here and then kind of give us a fake out like for more sell, and the market failed to continue going all the way to the downside. So which one? This is the first thing that gives us a confirmation that the market has failed to go down and now wants to continue rally all the way to the upside. So where am I seeing the market coming to? I'm seeing the market is coming to the prime target, which are around 0.69500. 0.69500. This is where I'm seeing the market is coming to. Correct. Right now, I'm currently bullish in this market. In this AUD USD, I want to long this trade to all the way to 0.69500. This is what I'm saying. So how am I going to enter this trade? This is my monthly time frame, and I'm saying everything is pretty bullish. And let's go to weekly and see what is really happening in weekly time frame, guys. We could see here the market came and give us a very nice retest around somewhere here, and the market currently is above this zone right here. So what am I saying? What am I saying with this pair? I want the market to come here once more, because you could say this is my weekly time frame, and this is my weekly zone. The market has been kind of holding this trade for. Let me first remove this one. Let me first remove this one once more. You could see the market. Always the market come and retest the zone before it continue going to the upside. The market retest the zone before it continue going to the upside. So this looked like a very strong bullish zone, a strong bullish demand zone, which is still holding the market. So what am I going to see into this trade, guys, for me to enter? I want the market to come and give me one more retest like this, one more retest, then take this trade all the way to its prime target, guys. I just want one more retest, or else if it didn't happen, there's another zone which is somewhere right here. If I clone this, I always have two ways of entering trade, guys. Yeah. Or if the market fail to comes, if the market fail to comes right here, down here, to give me another touch of the trend line, another touch of the zone, a retest of the zone, I'll wait for the market to comes above here. Wait for the market to come above, like here, and then give me one more retest, and then continue all the way to the upside. So I'm having two ways of entering this trade. Either market breaks above, give me a retest, then continue, or the market should come here once more, down here once more, give me the retest, and then I will continue breaking, taking all the way to the upside. So I'm having two ways I will be able to enter this market, but I would like if the market comes in once more, because it look pretty much more okay if the market drop here once more. But for now, let me just wait for anything that the market it's gonna do, and always wait for your confirmation in daily candlestick and a 4 hour before you enter a trade. So for now, let's just be patient and wait for anything that is going to happen into this trade right here. And last but not least, what I'm having is I'm having crude oil, guys. Crude oil has kind of like been such a hectic for us here, guys, has been stopping us out in and out, but and right now crude oil is now giving us a very clear movement of the trade, guys. So what am I seeing in crude oil, guys? Crude oil, as you guys could see, the past 3 months crude oil has just been kind of bearish and just been moving only down, down, down. We could see about this before this market and this zone has been holding this trade. Whenever it comes, take it out. Whenever it comes, take it up. And finally, the market came and broke with the bullish engulfing in a monthly candlestick. And at first, this bullish engulfing in monthly gave me the confirmation this market is gonna come continue breaking all over to the downside, and then I waited for the market to come and retest somewhere, and then I jump on it straight back. It kind of stopped me out because the market was not yet ready to continue with this bearish momentum. And what I noticed, the market came and just got stuck onto this kind of demand zone. The market came and got stuck in this demand zone that I came and drew. So the market right now wants to continue rallying all the way to the upside. So right now I'm only going to long. I'm only going to go for a bullish. I'm only going for any bullish momentum only into this trade right now. So what am I seeing in weekly? Weekly came and gave us a head and shoulder, and the market right now is retesting the neckline. And in this neckline, the market is having also the tight touch of the trend line, which always does a trick, which a very strong zone, guys. The market is having a tight touch of the trend line. If you draw your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, you could see this zone is even around at the Fibonacci. And let us come at the daily time frame and see what is happening, guys. This is a day which now showing for us a much more clear confirmation. We could say right now it's at around is now left only 15 minutes to midnight, which is about the market is about to close, as you guys can see. So right now the market is about to close, the day is about to close. It's now ending with a bullish engulfing candlestick, and that's the first confirmation. The second confirmation, we could put out of nature from swing low to swing high, which shows us the market came and got stuck in a zone between 61.8 and then 50% fib, which gives us a very strong bullish engulfing candlestick breakout, a very strong confirmation. So right now I haven't entered this trade. I had just put my entry right here, and I'm about to jump onto this trade just like that, guys. How am I going to jump onto this trade? If you come late and then you come and watch this video, I came in the 4 and then I see and then I saw a small demand zone somewhere here, and then I put my green line, then I will be waiting for the market to come and retest it and this one once more. But right now it's pretty much you can even enter this trade because now the confirmation has even in the 4 hours a bullish engulfing candlestick. So right now you can even jump on this trade and then rally this trade to my prime target, which is at 80 dollars per barrel, guys. Right now I'm gonna rally this trade around up to $80 somewhere here, up to $80 per barrel, guys. So right now I'm gonna rally this trade like that. But if the market comes to somewhere here, I'm seeing a very strong bearish momentum somewhere here. So if the market comes here, I will take some more my profit and then bring my entry to break even, then let the market to rally the rest of the profit to its prime target. And if the market continues continue for us as swing trader, we use a trailing stop. We don't just take when the market reach your target. You don't just take your market. You don't just you get out of the trade. You use a trailing stop. When the market reach here, you bring your stop above your entry. If the market gets somewhere here, you continue taking your stop above, then until the market reach your prime target, and then after you can take everything all, guys. So right now I will be patient and then wait for the market to want to do whatever it wants to in crude oil, and crude oil is pretty bullish, guys. I'm seeing everything is bullish in crude oil, and I'm gonna rally this trade all up to $80 per barrel, guys. So right now those are the three pairs I wanted to show you guys, and right now I think those are the most pairs that are really trending right now. S&P is about to reach to my prime target, and S&P didn't like come and give us it gave us that kind of retest, but wasn't that quite much more satisfied to come and enter it. That's why I didn't now enter more lot sizes. So I'm still running this trade all the way to its prime target, and Euro USD even is still running all the way to its prime target. Euro USD it came and gave us that good confirmation, but right now I'm not gonna rally this trade. I'm not gonna add more lot size until the market break above this zone. Then I'll come and jump more onto this trade. So right now I'm still holding my Euro USD. I haven't brought my entry to break even, but I will do that so when the market break this one above and then bring my entry to break even, then start rallying, looking for more losses, looking for more entries to bring up to the my prime target, which is around 1.2300 guys. So right now I'll be patient and wait for whatever the market is gonna do. And we have already reached the end of our video, and if you find any value into this video, then I urge you to like, comments, and give me any kind of question, any kind of price you want me to analyze. And thank you guys. Have a nice week of trading, and we have come to the end of the video. So thank you and peace out.